Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A3 door handle. Whether you are replacing a damaged handle or performing other maintenance, this guide will walk you through each step. We will cover everything from gathering your tools to carefully detaching the handle and preparing for reinstallation. This process can be straightforward with the right approach and a bit of patience, ensuring a successful outcome for your vehicle. Before starting, ensure you have the correct tools. You'll need a torque screwdriver, usually a T15 or T20, along with a small flathead screwdriver for prying. A plastic trim removal tool is also highly recommended to prevent damage. Begin by opening the door and finding the small rubber cap on the door's edge, opposite the handle. Carefully remove this cap to reveal the internal securing mechanism. Now let's get to the removal. Using your torque screwdriver, loosen the screw found behind the rubber cap. Turn it until you feel significant resistance, but do not fully remove it. Next, pull the exterior handle outwards and hold it. This action often reveals a small cap or the lock cylinder, which you can then push inwards or slide out. Once that piece is free, gently slide the main door handle assembly towards the rear of the car for front doors, or forward for rear doors, and disconnect any attached electrical wires. To reinstall, reverse the steps. First, carefully reconnect any electrical wiring to the handle. Then, slide the main door handle assembly back into its slot, ensuring it seats correctly. Reinsert the lock cylinder or cap, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Finally, tighten the torque screw in the door jamb until it is snug, but avoid over-tightening. Before fully closing the door, test the handle's operation several times to confirm it functions properly and securely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.